everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to set up a Google Maps page for your business. So first of all, we're going to go into Google, type in Google Business, and then go on the first link. Then we're going to press Get Started and type in your business name. Once we've entered our name, we're going to choose our business type. I'm just going to choose local store. Press Next. Type your business category. I'm just going to say tutoring service. Press Next. And then you're going to enter your address. Then, once you're in this page, you're going to be asked if this is your business. If it is, you're going to press on it. Press Next. And then you're going to have to request access from the used email. So if that isn't your case, you're just gonna press none of these, press Next, and then it's going to ask you to perfectly locate your business. So I'm just going to adjust it to, for example, this street right here. Press Next. Once that is done, you can add contact details for your page, so a website or a phone number. I'm just going to skip this. Then you're gonna have to press continue. And then it's going to start asking for your verification. So first of all, they're going to ask for your phone number, and then they're going to have to send you a message or a code, and then you're going to have to give it back. I'm just going to press verify later for now. And then I can add my business hours. For example, I'm closed on Sunday, but I work all of the weeks, all week, and I can add the working hours. I'm just going to skip that for now. You can add a business description. I'm going to skip as well. And then you can add your images. So select from your computer and send them here. Press skip again. In my case, you can also claim an advertising credit, but I'm just going to skip this as well. Skip this as well. And your edits will be visible once you're verified. So I'm gonna press continue. And once you want to verify, you're just going to press get verified right here. And then you go through the process of verifying it by sending a code. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.